Hello everyone, this is Amritpal Singh. Guys, in this video, I'll be discussing how we can create RDD, and we'll see today that what are the common transformations and actions we have inside the RDD. In a previous video, I've already have discussed what is RDD, what's the meaning of the term transformation, what's the meaning of the term action. In case you are joining me in this video, I just want you to please watch the previous one so you have a complete knowledge or you have a complete requirements to understand this concept, right? So let's get started. I've already have opened up my PowerShell in front of you. I'm gonna start my PySpark by typing PySpark and press enter. So it is opening up the PySpark for me, and the very first thing we'll be seeing today, like how we can create the RDD via three methods. What are the three methods we are having? First method is we can create RDD using external file. Second is using parallelize method, and third one it is by from existing RDD. When you perform the transformation on existing RDD, it will give you the another RDD. Okay, let's see. So first of all, I can show you what we have in the first file, okay, which I'm gonna load. This is the file which I'm having in my D drive. I'll be reading this file, and it will be creating one RDD for me. Okay, let's see. So I'm gonna name it with the name RDD only, space equal to sc means Spark context, text file is a method in which I have to pass the path of this file. Okay, so D drive fr.txt, done. Okay, it will create one RDD for me. All right, next method is we can use parallelize method. The parallelize method accepts any kind of collection we have in Python. Okay, let's see. So I'm having RDD1 now, sc.parallelize. Okay, sc.parallelize, in which I'm going to pass anything. The very first thing I'm passing as a list of numbers. Okay, 20, 30. Okay, this is a list of numbers I'm passing. It will create one RDD for me. In the same way, we can also pass some other things as well. Instead of passing 10, 20, 30, I can also pass the string. Okay, list of strings as well. So here I'm passing, let's suppose ABC, some names. I'm having some names available, XYZ. Then I'm having PQR, something like that. Okay, it's also one way. Other way is we can also pass some other stuff as well. We can also pass the tuple list of tuples as well. Okay, so I can also show you that example as well. Let's suppose I'm having the tuples. Okay, in pairs, key value pairs, we can say. Let's suppose I'm having apple1 as my first pair. Okay, in the same way I can have my second pair, let's suppose banana. Okay, 2, something like that. Okay, so that's it. To also create one RDD for me. Okay, in the same way we can also pass the we can also use set as well. Okay, so instead of that, what I can do is I can just pass the set. Okay, so here I'm passing in a curly bracket to also create one RDD for me. Okay, and last one, I can also use range method as well. Okay, I can also use range. Okay, range, and I can give the range 1 comma something. Okay, something like that. Okay, range. So it means there are multiple ways available. The very first way I discussed is a text file. Second one is in a sc.parallelize. I'm having I can pass any of the collection of a Python collection, right? Now next thing is we can also create RDD from the existing RDD. Okay, like we have this RDD, and RDD1 is already available. If I perform some transformation on top of it, it will give me one RDD. Okay, so for that, let's do a very simple task. I'm already having this file with me. Okay, and I'm just going to do the simple word count of this. Okay, we have whatever the words we are having. We want to do the occurrence of each word, that how many times this word is appearing. Very common example that we take. So let's do it. So first transformation I'm going to use is the flat map. Flat map is a transformation, the first transformation. It will just split the line into words. Okay, so in which I'm going to use lambda function. Lambda is an anonymous function in Python. It don't have any name. Okay, it's a kind of a use and throw kind of function, in which I'm gonna use one method split. Okay, split, because the words are splitted by space. We have already seen this. Okay, hello space word, hello space spark. So we are using split method. So lambda will split the data into words. Okay, it's the first transformation. So RDD2 is my second RDD. All right. So on this RDD, let's apply another transformation. Now I'm going to use RDD3, and RDD2 I'm going to use another transformation with the name map. So map will do what? Let me first write the syntax, this content, then I'll be explaining what I'm doing. Lambda x comma x colon x into 1 means we are mapping x from x to x comma 1. Okay, or in a simple way we can say we are assigning 1 to each and every word, because we want to count the occurrence of each and every word, right? So map. Okay, I'm again repeating what is flat map and map. Flat map and map both are the common transformation. The flat map is like splitting data into words. If you want to read data word by word, then you can use flat map. If you want to read data line by line, you can use map. So in this case we are using map transformation. It is converting x into x comma 1. Okay, it's mapping that x into x comma 1. Now on this, let's apply the last transformation, which is the reduce by key. RDD3 dot reduce by key. Reduce by key, as the name suggests, it is like a group by. It will take all the common all the A's together, let's suppose all the B's together, and give you the count accordingly. Okay, it will reduce by key means it will put all the keys together. In this case, what are the keys? Hello world, all the hellos together, all the words together. Okay, in this way, reduce by key, lambda, and then we are using a comma b. You can use any variable here, it's not like that, a plus b. All right, so now we have applied 3 transformations, so it means we got 3 RDDs here, RDD2, RDD3, RDD4. Now all the transformations are lazy in nature. They all waiting for one action to be called, because we have a 2 operations now, transformation and action. We have used 3 transformations: flat map, map, reduce by key. Now we have to call the action to get a result. For that, I'm going to use the result as that action is collect. The very first action is collect. When you use this collect, it will give me my result. All right, you can see we use RDD4 dot collect, and you can see some processing is going on in the behind the scenes, so we can expect result now. So the collect is the action. So I'm again repeating, all the transformations are lazy in nature. They are waiting for action to be called. The action is like a trigger. Like in DBMS, we have a trigger available, na? Like it is waiting for some action to be called. Action can be insert statement, update statement, or the delete statement. In this case, this is the action. You can see we got answer. Occurrence of each and every word. The word is coming 1 time, word is coming 1 time, hello is coming 2 times. So this is the one, right? So let's take further example to discuss more actions. Okay, I'm going to take very simple data here. Let me remove that data as my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3. Okay, we have simple data. Let's pass this into the one RDD. Something I'm using my RDD equal to sc dot parallelize, and I'm passing here this data. Okay, done. Now let's apply some of the actions here. The actions can be my RDD. We have already used one action, which is collect. Now apply some other actions like take. It will print take, meaning is the action. It will print the 2 elements 1, 2. Okay, the first n elements. Okay, afterwards my RDD dot, we can use reduce. Reduce is nothing but the it's a action. What is reduce? Actually, reduce will give you the answer. It will sum all the elements. Okay, it will sum all the elements and give you the result. Like, because now you must be wondering what's the difference between reduce and reduce by key. Reduce is different from the reduce by key. Reduce by key is a transformation. First of all, reduce is an action. Okay, and in this case, reduce by key will give you result key wise. Okay, but reduce will give you result in like overall. Okay, it will give you the result overall. Okay, in this case, I'm using the reduce now to get the result of the complete numbers, like 1 plus it, the answer will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3, like in this way. Okay, let's use it. So in this case, I'm going to use the reduce. Almost syntax is same. Lambda. You can use any variable. I'm using x comma y colon x plus y. Okay, So we can expect the result as overall sum. But over there, what's our difference was? It was giving the sum or the count like key wise, okay, but it will give you the result overall. Okay, so in this case I'm using 20. We are getting answer as 20. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3, it is 20. All right, I hope it is clear. Next one we can use is, we can also use another very simple action as my RDD. Although there are large list of actions and transformations available, but we are just discussing the common ones, right? We can use top. Okay, top means top element. Okay, I'm using top one. I want to print the top element. It's also action we have in RDD. My RDD dot top one. You can see 5 is a topmost element, the largest element. So we got answer as 5. Okay, so I hope it is all clear. So this is all about the transformations and actions. Although we have large list available, as I already told you, but we are just discussing the common ones. In the transformations part, we discussed the flat map, map, reduce by key. In the action, we discussed the common ones like take, collect, reduce, top, although there are many more available as well, right? So I hope the things are clear. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in next video.